Hey there, market junkies! Welcome back to another thrilling episode of Market Madness. It's Jim Cramer, your man on the street, with a wild market update. Buckle up because today's market is like a roller coaster. Hold on tight because it's a bumpy ride out there. The market's been all over the place and it's not for the faint of heart. The Dow Jones is taking a tumble, dropping for the fourth day straight. It's been a rough week for the blue chip index. Global tensions are making investors jittery. From trade wars to geopolitical strife, there's a lot weighing on the market. But wait, don't hit the panic button just yet. There's more to the story. The Nasdaq, our beloved tech haven, is holding strong. Tech stocks are showing resilience amid the chaos. Why? Because everyone's buzzing about Nvidia. The tech giant is the talk of the town. The chip giant is about to drop its earnings report, and expectations are sky high. Analysts are predicting big things. Could Nvidia's performance be the shot in the arm the market needs? Many are hopeful. We'll find out soon enough. The anticipation is palpable. One thing's for sure, it's a tale of two markets right now. The contrast between the Dow and Nasdaq is striking. The Dow is feeling the heat, while the Nasdaq is basking in the glow of tech optimism. It's a fascinating dynamic. Which way will the wind blow next? Stay tuned. We'll keep you updated on all the twists and turns. Let's talk Nvidia, folks. This tech giant has been making waves in the industry for years, and it seems like they're just getting started. This company is the talk of the town, and for good reason. Nvidia has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology, making headlines with their innovative products and impressive financial performance. They're the brains behind the chips that power everything from high-end gaming PCs to cutting-edge AI supercomputers. Their GPUs are the gold standard in the industry, driving advancements in various fields. And guess what? They're about to reveal their latest quarterly earnings. Investors and tech enthusiasts alike are on the edge of their seats, eagerly awaiting the numbers. Analysts are predicting a blowout quarter with earnings per share soaring past expectations. This could be a game changer for the stock market. We're talking serious growth here, people. Nvidia's performance could set a new benchmark for the tech industry. The demand for Nvidia's chips is through the roof, thanks to the insatiable appetite for all things AI, gaming, and data centers. These sectors are booming, and Nvidia is right at the heart of it all. Nvidia's previous earnings report was a smash hit, beating market forecasts. Their ability to consistently outperform expectations has made them a darling of Wall Street. And now the whispers on the street are saying that this one could be even bigger. The anticipation is palpable and everyone is watching closely. If Nvidia delivers, it could send shockwaves through the entire tech sector, and maybe even lift the broader market. Hold on to your hats because this could be a wild ride. Now let's not forget about the elephant in the room: global uncertainty. The ongoing tensions between Russia and Ukraine are making investors nervous, and when investors get nervous, they tend to pull back from the market. This is why we're seeing the Dow Jones struggle. It's a barometer of investor sentiment, and right now, that sentiment is cautious. The fear is that these geopolitical tensions could escalate, throwing a wrench into the global economy. But hey, let's not get too pessimistic. The US economy is still strong, and there are plenty of reasons to be optimistic about the future. It's just that right now, investors are in a wait-and-see mode. They want to see how things play out before they jump back in with both feet. Section 4, Bitcoin surges. Thank you, Mr. President. Hold on to your hats, crypto enthusiasts, because Bitcoin is on fire. The digital currency has been making headlines with its impressive performance. The digital gold has been on a tear lately, surging over 30% in just 2 weeks. This kind of growth is nothing short of spectacular and has everyone talking. And guess what's fueling this rally? It's not just market forces or investor sentiment. You guessed it, Donald Trump's re-election. His return to the political stage has had a significant impact on the crypto market. That's right, folks. The Donald is back in the White House, and the crypto world is rejoicing. His policies and stance on digital currencies are seen as a positive influence. Why? Because Trump is seen as a friend to the crypto industry. His administration has hinted at deregulation and creating a more favorable environment for digital currencies. He's talked about deregulation and creating a more favorable environment for digital currencies. This has given investors a renewed sense of optimism. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, isn't this all just speculation? Can we really attribute Bitcoin's rise to Trump's re-election? And you know what? You're right. There is a lot of speculation involved. But that's the nature of the crypto market. It's driven by sentiment, hype, and yes, even politics. These factors can create a perfect storm for price movements. It's driven by sentiment, hype, and yes, even politics. and right now the sentiment is bullish on Bitcoin, thanks in part to Trump's victory. So whether you're a seasoned trader or a casual observer, keep an eye on the news and market trends. The crypto world is as dynamic as ever, and who knows what the next big catalyst will be. Section 5, What's next? Brace yourselves, investors. So what does all this mean for you, dear investors? Well, buckle up, because it's going to be an interesting ride. We've got Nvidia's earnings on the horizon, which could make or break the tech sector. We've got geopolitical tensions simmering in the background, and we've got Bitcoin surging like there's no tomorrow. It's a recipe for volatility, folks. But hey, that's the market for you. It's never boring. My advice, stay informed, stay disciplined, and don't let your emotions get the best of you. And remember, in the words of the great Kenny Rogers, you've got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em. Stay tuned, folks. It's going to be a wild ride.